Hello, and welcome to our presentation. We are Team 6, and today we bring to you our idea, which hopes to leverage IoT to contribute to a more sustainable world. We bring to you the smart mini greenhouse. Now, regarding future context, we'd first like to establish why we believe that our product is required. Current estimates suggest that population growth is set to continue, with the world's population expected to grow to almost 10 billion by 2050. Now, this in turn will boost agricultural demand by some 50% compared to 2013, and this is just a modest estimate. Furthermore, another problem we're going to face is the rise of urbanization, which consequently brings about higher living standards and higher demand for food produce. However, this increase in demand is coinciding with a scarcity of arable farmland. In fact, 33% of the world's farmland is already moderately to highly degraded, meaning that we do need to find an alternative, and unfortunately, we need to do this very fast. So, with all this in mind, the opportunities that we can exploit here is that there is a clear increase in the organic food demand, with our more health-conscious society helping to raise the sales of organic food by 20% annually. We also hope to leverage the rise in household tech adoption, as well as the rise in smart homes. And finally, we're going to look to leverage the increase in eco-friendly behavior, with, for example, 73% of people believing that we're already feeling the effects of climate change today. So, to make the most of these opportunities, we've decided to choose California as our target market, with it having one of the highest consumption rates of organic food in the USA today. In fact, it's also the 7th highest state for average income. It makes up 40% of the organic food market in the USA, and 90% of the households already purchase organic products today in California, with the rise in popularity of organic food suppliers such as Trader Joe's. Now, I'd like to pass on to my colleague who will go into further detail about the solutions.
Our IoT solution will be a smart mini greenhouse capable to grow by itself high quality and homemade organic produce. This automated mini greenhouse will be based on an IoT platform composed by the greenhouse structure, sensors, environment regulators, and connectivity device as a Raspberry to connect all of them via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. In addition to this hardware, the platform will require a software to control all the systems, which will be installed in the Raspberry. On the other hand, a high compatible user interface will allow users to monitor all what is happening inside the device. And how it will work? Once the seeds are inside the mini greenhouse, a set of sensors will measure any variation in humidity, temperature, or light to automatically dose the exact amount of water, heat, or cold, and light to each plant, ensuring the required condition to grow healthy produces. All this information will be processed by the Raspberry and saved in the cloud to be accessed by the app, as well as the databases to calibrate the system for future developments. Furthermore, this device is intended to work with any growth system as aeroponic, hydroponic, and floating, to be able to offer the proper conditions to grow leafy greens as lettuces, alliums as onions, cruciferous as cauliflower or broccoli, marrows as cucumbers, tomatoes, and other 31 plus vegetables. You will have a mini greenhouse as part of your kitchen, and you will be able to eat the freshest possible produce. And all the process can be controlled and monitored by the user, as the environment, growth status, dates to harvest the vegetables, and more. So, how will we earn money? The revenue streams will come from the sales of the device and the seeds, which is expected to have a good margins and high volume. Our main cost will be R&D for the app and the new products, and as well the required labor to assemble and prepare the mini greenhouses. Finally, our competitors will be analog mini farms, which require high skills to use, and organic food retail. Therefore, we won't expect strong direct competition in our niche.
Lastly, let's talk about our target market. Our target market is actually the big cities of California, which is LA, San Francisco, and San Diego. Our customers are healthy and eco-conscious individuals and want to eat healthy and organic products. And they're customers that have big houses in these cities, which have enough space for them to have their own smart greenhouse. From our research, it shows that 13.5 million houses in California will have internet by 2025. Homes of high income in these cities will be about 929,000. And About 491,000 homes will be valued over $1 million. A lot of people will be in to have this smart greenhouse because they will have the money and they will have the space in their home. Our smart house greenhouse is actually aspires to reinvent sustainable farming of organic produce from the comfort of your home. Thank you for listening.